Hey guys, welcome to another session of Weekend Extravaganza. As usual, हर वीकेंड को हम यहाँ कोशिश करते हैं कि हम आपकी ज़िंदगी को अनलिमिटेड लाइफ कैसे करें. आज हमारे साथ आएंगे मिस्टर दिविज बजाज, CEO एंड फाउंडर ऑफ पावर गमीज. इनको ऐड कर लेते हैं अभी. One minute.
Hey, hi, Divish.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Welcome to the Weekend Extravaganza. Thank you so much for taking time out for us and trying to help our audience to unlimit their life.
No, thank you so much for inviting me over. I mean, it's an absolute pleasure. Just adjusting the camera. Yeah, I think now it's fine.
Yeah, I think all because of this lockdown and the whole coronavirus issues which are going on, I think all our lives are revolving around cameras and screens at the moment.
Definitely. Otherwise, a live interaction with you would have been much better.
I definitely I was just talking to my peers and my teammates. I said, I wish I could have met you in person, and over a cup
Yeah.
of a hot chocolate or a coffee, and we had this conversation. But we can definitely have a very fruitful conversation over here. So, Divij, from being a founder of two tech platforms, all right, and then suddenly moving to a lifestyle brand called Power Gummies. So, how has been your journey, and what made you think to get into the whole Power Gummies as a industry, as a market?
Uh, I think the inspiration was nutraceutical love as such. So when I started, I had no clue what I have to do in life. And then that idea seemed very nice of getting into the school admission portals because nobody was doing that.
Mm-hmm.
So got into that, built a successful venture, ultimately sold it out. And then I really wanted to do something meaningful. And that's when, my love for nutraceutical kicked in. And I started to
Okay.
see and observe where, the things are lacking in terms of nutraceutical industry. Where are we
Mm-hmm.
having these barriers that are stopping this industry to, bloom and grow at a wild level? And why can't India give international podium a nutraceutical brand? So we always have these US, European brands coming in India, but
Mm-hmm.
I wanted to really build a brand that India gives to the whole world. And I think
Mm-hmm.
that's where this love, this passion ultimately resulted in getting into the nutraceutical category.
That's a very good point what you made. Rather than getting things from outside, it's rather than having our own homegrown product. But whenever we talk about nutraceuticals, we always, there is always a visual in our head. It's either in the shape of tablet or a capsule or syrups or powders. All right. So how much time did it take to convert them into gummies? All right. Because whenever we say gummies, so we always used to get one thing in our mind, chewing gums, and then those Nicorex and all those, quitting smoking kind of gummies and stuff. So what was the thought and the insight to get into these kind of to give this product a shape like a gummy?
So we have a lot of people inquiring on Power Gummies page because I think this had to go live from Power Gummies page. What I'll do is I'll quickly drop and I'll quickly join from Power Gummies page because there are a lot of fans waiting who want to have this session.
All right, sure. We
Sure,
can
just
definitely
joining
do
in.
that. Yeah. So we'll be right back, and we are back.
Yeah,
So I will repeat my question again if you want. Right?
absolutely.
So whenever we talk about nutraceuticals, we always imagine, or we have been conditioned to imagine them as a capsule or a syrup or a powder or some crystals. All right. And whenever we say gummies, so gummies, we always relate to वो बचपन की यादें, like boomer or a chewing gum. And recently, because of this anti-smoking campaign, so all these nicotine-filled gums are there in the market. So what made you think to convert a nutraceutical into gummies and then pushing it to the audience?
See, I'll tell you, when I was studying on the barriers as to, how we break this barrier and bring an international brand that is acceptable across the globe, not just India,
Mhm.
that's when I started to see where the things are lacking. And that's when I realized I think the biggest barrier with nutraceutical is that it is in the form factor of pills. Anything that is in the form factor of pills is a medicine for us. We are not conditioned to differentiate a normal medicine and an OTC. So these all fall under the category of over the counter. You don't need to ask a
Okay.
doctor before having them. You don't need to
Mhm.
worry about having them. This is precautionary nutraceuticals that you got to have on a
Uh-huh.
daily basis, and you can have them on a general daily basis. It has to be a lifestyle habit. Whereas when you see Asia and the Southern Asian countries, even India for that matter, we are conditioned that anything that is coming in the form of pills, we have to go and ask doctor before having it, and we tend to doubt it. We tend to confuse it with medicine.
Mhm.
This all actually started with my mom. She had a back problem, and she was
Okay.
as a normal back problem was nutritional deficiency, and she was given 5 6 vitamins like calcium, D3, etc.
Mhm.
And ultimately she had to pop in 8 to 9 pills daily, and this became a havoc for her because she started to think that she has a problem, something like cancer. Otherwise, these were just nutraceutical medicines, which is generally normal things that you got to have on a daily basis. And that's where I
Uh-huh.
realized that this has to change. It has to come in the form factor which everybody loves. It has to be in the
Okay.
form factor that you don't need to remind anybody before taking it. You love to take it. You love to see them, and
Mhm.
ultimately, when you have a love for them, it will become a lifestyle pattern. And that's exactly where I started to experiment with the complete R&D team as to which alternative we should get into. And after experimenting with like 17 18 variants, we finally decided that we have to go with cute looking gummies.
All right. So how was your mom's reaction once he started consuming these gummies?
Oh, it
You
was
know, you know,
awesome. It
because
was awesome.
it's always said, moms are our correct critic.
Yeah.
They will never sugarcoat anything for us. All right.
Yeah.
So when you move all those 5 or 6 medicine looking nutraceuticals and you introduce her to power gummies or these gummies, all right. So how was the first reaction?
So first, when I thought of this concept that we should get nutraceutical in the form of gummies, there were a lot
Mhm.
of questions because everybody thought that it is okay if you want to do it for kids. That's something we can imagine, but you want to do it for adults. That's something we can't imagine. And I was like, why should kids have all the fun? I mean, we also need nutraceutical brand that we love to have, and then something that is super effective but comes in a lovable form. And
Mhm.
when we created gummies, we did a market trial. We started with European market to do a little bit of market trial. Results were
Mhm.
awesome. Then we went to the US market to do the trials. Results were awesome. Then we came to India and the Southern Asian market to do the pilots. And we
Mhm.
finally realized that this is something that is going to be a global boom. This is going to be a big revolution in terms of nutraceutical category. And I think we should keep doing on what we're doing. And when I took it to my mom, she was surprised. I mean, she loved it. And from the
Mhm.
day that we have launched till now, she's been having it continuously. She and I mean, we are both Pargamis lovers.
Okay, so normally what happens is there is always a misconception between a pharmaceutical and a nutraceutical. Okay, you know, we are so much surrounded with pharmaceutical products and brands around us. They always compare the effect of a pharmaceutical very similar to nutraceutical. Like for example, bukhar aaya to you do a 7 day course and the bukhar is gone. All right.
Exactly.
So there is a time frame, and people are so accustomed to these time frames because everybody knows it. But if you so what is the effect time? Like for a nutraceutical or a nutrient brand like Power Gummies, I'm sure there are many other brands, which are, I'm not saying similar to gummies, but they are nutraceutical. But if somebody consumes it, what is the effect time? Like how can a person map the effect of it, the difference in them, how they should map it?
See, one thing that people have to understand is, and I think this is something that even the education system also should get into their system is that people have to understand that these are nutraceutical. And
Mm-hmm.
with nutraceutical, whether it be any brand, whether it be anything that you're consuming, consistency is the key.
Okay.
You can't have nutraceutical for 10 days, 15 days, 30 days and say that the results are not coming, because till the time you don't do a blood test, you can't actually measure the level of vitamin your blood has changed. And
Okay.
ultimately, for any kind of result that you expect from any nutraceutical brand,
Mm-hmm.
typical timeline is from 70 to 120 days. And the ideal result time where you start to see a little bit of results is 90 days of use. See, these are something that have to go on a long term basis. This is not a
Mm-hmm.
shampoo that you go in the washroom, you do a shampoo, come back, and you're like, whoa, I have nice hair. This is not a shampoo. That is a temporary effect that is happening. Nutraceutical is
Uh-huh.
for a long term. This has to be
Okay.
a lifestyle habit, and that is what we try to convey to our users as well. But I know there are a lot of users who still have it for 20 days, 30 days, and be like, kuch hua nahi, ye nahi hua, wo nahi hua. But then ultimately they all have to understand that this has to be a lifestyle habit. We portray, we put it in the marketing, we completely honestly say to people that this is a 90 days journey. Keep taking it for 90 days. That's when you start to see the results, and then continue taking it as a lifestyle habit. That's when you receive the optimum level. And that is exactly what our clinical trials have also proven. Now,
Okay.
any
Okay.
composition that we bring, we go
Mm-hmm.
through a rigorous R&D and then rigorous clinical trial pathway. And these clinical trials are then registered with WHO and FDA. So anybody
Okay.
who has to read more about it, they are
Mm-hmm.
also published as a public knowledge on European Food Journal. So you just go on a Google, you just click on the journal. There are images, news, journal. You click on journal, you type Power Gummies clinical trial, and you see the clinical trials that are registered with WHO. They have proven, we on a clinical trial level have proven that Power Gummies helps you with 22% hair growth acceleration and 65% of hair fall reduction. But
Okay.
you got to take it for 90 days. And there you can see the journey. You can read about the journey of the clinical trial. What effects can you see and measure in terms of 45 days? What
Mm-hmm.
results you can see in terms of 60 days, what in 90 days, and then beyond. And then this
Oh, okay.
continuously have to be a lifestyle habit.
Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. So, Divij, what different kind of gummies does your brand provide? What is the product range for the audience?
So we typically have three variants, and the plan is to bring 40 more variants in the future. But currently, we have
Okay.
three variants in the kitty. One is for the hair and nail, which we call Gorgeous Hair and Nail. The second one
Okay.
is Beach Body, which is for the weight management.
Mm-hmm.
And the third one is That Time of the Month, which is for PMS. So
Okay.
it helps
Okay.
you smooth flow in the periods without having pain, and it eases out the whole journey.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So, Divij, hair fall as a problem or as an issue, you know, it's hitting people at a very early age these days. All right,
Very true.
even a 20-year-old or a 18-year-old, they are having hair falls, and so what is the cause for it, and how people can start taking precautions, or what changes they can do so that they can avoid these kind of situations.
See, what is happening is that on a general basis, and that's so we've been developing the multivitamin composition, and we're developing it specifically keeping the Southern Asian market into consideration. And that's
Mm-hmm.
why we are studying the kind of diets that we are having. And where we have realized, so what is typically happening is that in terms of the Indian diets that we are consuming, uh,
Mm-hmm.
being dal being the staple diet of the Indian audience, and then in the Southern Asian, when you go, similar type of cuisines that you see, what is happening is that people are lacking the proper nutrition that the hair and nail need.
Mm-hmm.
With the time, with the evolution of the life cycle and the millennial culture, where we have stopped caring and seeing what in terms of what we're consuming, this has come to a younger generation. This has traveled to a younger generation. And once proper nutrition is not being received by your body, you are not receiving the proper kind of biotin that the body needs on a daily basis, the
Mm-hmm.
kind of zinc, folic acid that the body needs on a daily basis. That's where dysfunctions start to happen. Because on a general level, on a daily basis, Just like your car needs engine oil, brake oil, petrol, everything, your body
Uh-huh.
needs different vitamins for different kind of functions. And when it is
Okay.
not getting, they start to dysfunction. And that's exactly where the problems start to arise.
Okay. That's very well explained, you know. But I would want to know what's your secret of such a good hair, you know, like so many people I can see they're complimenting your hairstyle and your hair on the comment section. So what's your secret
Only one secret, and that's Pargamis.
then? All right.
And the second secret is that I'm consistent with them.
Perfect. I think consistency is one of the key factors in everything, whatever we do in life. You know, whether it's about doing workouts or doing studying or any kind of habits what we inculcate in our life. I think consistency is the key to success. So I
And
think I think
I think the next thing would be setting up right expectation. I think that goes with any relationship that you have in life, whether it be your personal relationship or a relationship with a brand, you got to set the expectations right. And that's where you have to understand what's the difference between nutraceutical and a shampoo. And that's where you will be realistically set your expectations and be able to see the results and go through the course of journey with the best optimum results.
But Dinesh, trust me. To be very honest, I will not shy away admitting this that I never knew what nutraceuticals were. And today was a very insightful session because when I was basically planning the whole session, the whole conversation with you, I really wanted to ask what is the effect period, all
Yeah.
right? Because I've been working out. I go to the gym, I work out, and I've been asked by my trainer, you should start taking nutrients and nutraceutical products and X, Y, and Z. I always had this question in my head to ask him, hey, you know what, effect kab karega? Or how should I measure my effects? Like, it's I'm consuming it. How should I affect, map my differences, what I'm getting, or the improvements what I have? And I should thank you for replying that to me. Now I can flaunt it to my trainer. Hey, listen, it is 90 days already. So, there is monsoon is here, okay, and
Yeah.
how India has a very patchy some monsoon. Somewhere it's too heavy, somewhere it's not. It's just light showers and stuff. Uh, what would you recommend for a skin or a hair tip for people along they consume power gummies so that people can practice that at home?
See, what happens is with the monsoon, because there is so much moisture in the air, your
Hmm.
that moisture actually blocks your scalp from producing the serum. So your scalp actually, I'll not go much technical and scientific in
Hmm.
this,
Yeah, yes,
but your
yes.
scalp actually produces a serum, which is responsible for the glow that you see in your hair. And this
Okay.
secretion happens with the right kind of vitamins. Now what happens is that they get blocked due to the moisture that is there in the air, and that's why
Mhm.
you'll see a lot of people facing hair fall problems, because your nutrition, the fuel that is going to your hair is being blocked by scalp, which is gaining moisture, and a layer is coming on the top. So with monsoon, it is highly recommended that you increase your hair wash cycle. If For boys, I know it's a little easy. For girls, it's a little difficult. But if you
Mhm.
do it like on an 3-day period, or on an you should reduce it to an alternative day level, wherein this
Mhm.
is the best way where you can survive through monsoon, is to wash them regularly and at a better interval, so that the scalp production of the serum is not blocked. And you got to be very cautious on the kind of nutrition and the food that you're consuming, because that is
Oh,
where the optimum level of function of hair and nail growth is going to happen. So that has to be
okay.
very taken care of. You can't get lazy when the monsoon comes, when it comes to your hair care regime. You rather have to
Uh-huh.
be more focused.
Okay. All right. Um, so, moving to the next part, like one of the most important question, what even our audience asks us is that what are these small and easy steps, an individual can do to basically to add more nutrients to their diets, you know, because of see, well, currently life has become so monotonous, and everybody's in a rut. get up in the morning, have breakfast, go to work, come back. Now they can't go. They have to basically move from one bedroom to the other bedroom, because they have their office setups and stuff. And the first thing what people neglect is diet, their food. So what are these small habits what they can inculcate, so that at least there is good nutrition in their diets.
See, one way is that there are a lot of apps that are available now on App Store which help you track your daily nutritional intake that you've taken. You can use those apps and you can track, you can put in the food that you're having on a daily basis, and then at the end of the day, you get the daily chart result. And we are also creating such an app where you can track your daily food and the kind of nutrition that you've taken. The other easy way, because we live in 21st century and the easiest way to consume them is to add supplements and nutraceutical in your life. Just like Power Gummies, to give you an example. Now, if you read the composition at the back page and then you compare it with the RDA, we write the recommended daily allowances that you got to have for those vitamins. You'll see that with just 2 gummies, you're getting 90 to 100% of all the nutrition that your body needs for hair and nail. So even if on a daily basis you're compromising anything due to your fast lifestyle culture, you have consumed everything that your body needs for your hair and nail. So I think the smartest way is that you add right kind and right quality of nutraceuticals into your life. If you can't, and if you want to go through the natural way, that's also perfectly fine. You have apps you can keep a track on, and then you can change or increase the diet plans accordingly.
You just mentioned that you guys are coming out with an app. So
Yeah.
if you can throw a little bit light on what the product is going to be about, and what can people expect out of it?
So what we're doing is we're creating an app that will help you navigate through all the variants that we are planning to launch, that we currently have, or we are planning to launch in the future. Like for the PMS, you'll be able to track your cycle, you'll be able to monitor your results, and then you'll be able to measure the kind of pain that you're facing, and then it will help you identify why it is happening and what kind of solution they got because of Power Gummies.
Okay.
Then when it comes to hair and nail, we're trying to develop a measuring format wherein you can track your results in terms of hair fall and hair growth with the app. When it
Okay.
comes to Beachbody, we'll be definitely be putting the same feature wherein you can track your daily diet and the number of calories that you have burned due to your exercise. So what Beachbody actually does is it increases your metabolism rate. So your
Okay.
metabolism rate is already fast. Now when you exercise, so we have a lot of people who don't exercise with Beachbody gummies and come up saying that it is not affecting us as much as we expected. So
Uh,
the role of Beachbody, you got to set the expectation right, is just that it's going to increase your metabolism rate. So the amount of calories that you were burning in your 20 minutes of jogging would increase to now 35 minutes of jogging. So with
oh,
the
okay.
kind of calories that you would have burned in a 35 minutes of a cardio, you'll burn it in 20 minutes. That's the kind of result that you should expect. You shouldn't expect that, I'm having Beachbody and having butter chicken and then I'm expecting, my weight is not going down. So just putting it out so that people can, have realistic expectations from nutraceutical, which is very important.
I like the butter chicken example. Like you just pop in a power gummy and then still have a butter chicken and still not reducing your weight.
Yep.
So coming to the another question, what we wanted to ask is, um, there is a new concept which has come out in the food industry called a superfood. You
Yep.
yeah, this is superfood, this is superfood, this is superfood. ये खाएंगे तो ये होगा, ये खाएंगे तो नहीं होगा, and all that stuff. So what is superfood actually? And if you can name couple of superfoods what we can make a part of our eating cycle, that would be a great help actually.
See, superfood by typical definition is something that is giving you nutrition more than is adding the kind of nutrition that you is adding to the kind of nutrition that you're taking and fulfilling the extra need. So to give you an example, like avocado is treated as a superfood. But for me, when people ask me, I suggest that, rather than going for superfoods and falling into the marketing traps, it's very important to have the to track the cycle that you are in. So having the meals at proper time is something that is more effective. So you gotta bring in the discipline. Anything that uh, it's I think for any goal that you want to achieve in life, key is only two things that I believe in. One is the discipline, which is the time cycle, and second is consistency. So anything that you're doing with a proper time cycle and consistency with discipline, you'll definitely see the results coming in. And
All right.
superfoods is a very technical definition, because typically what is a superfood for you might not be a superfood for anybody else in the different continent across the globe, because of the kind of temperature, because of the kind of other diets that you're having. Like
Mm-hmm.
pulses, now if you see the European journals, you'll see pulses as a superfood. We take it
Correct.
casually because that's a daily diet thing for us. So it all depends across globe what is a superfood really for you, because it has to be the add-on nutrition that you're not taking in your daily diet, which this superfood is bringing in.
Okay.
It's a very technical definition, and better is to continue doing what you're doing with a little bit of discipline, consistency, and the right amount of nutraceuticals added in your life. And I think you're sorted. You don't have to go all crazy about your fitness regime or what kind
Mm-hmm.
of things that I have to have. It's best to keep things easy, and when it's on an easy level, that's where you can have things that are on a lifestyle basis.
The way you're explaining these uh, situations so well, like you make it sound so easy for us to do it, like we. So I think a lot of people are motivated. Even the audience who are consuming the live right now. I've been reading. A lot of people have appreciated your anti-hair fall power gummies. But there are a couple of users who are asking that, are there any side effects, or is there any particular things to check before consuming nutraceuticals?
See, there are no side effects to them because we use the highest quality of nutraceutical. And sometimes we do get this question in the Southern Asian countries, mostly in India, that you are at an expensive price point. But I like to convey to everybody that, see, when you weigh quality and efficacy over the price range, I
Mm-hmm.
think quality and efficacy wins. So we know that amongst a little bit of competitors that are there in the Indian and the Indonesian market, we are a little
Mm-hmm.
expensive than them. Uh, we are at a good price point when it comes to US and the European market. But when it comes to the Indonesian and the Indian market, we are at an expensive price point than the rivals that
Mm-hmm.
so-called are there in the market. But then when you compare the quality, the kind of nutrition that they have put in, and the kind of R&D efforts that they go through, so none of them have the clinical trials in place. There's no efficacy proven in terms of those
Mm-hmm.
products. What they're claiming in the product versus what they're actually delivering is something that you can only judge when you send the products on a lab trial, and that I
Okay.
know users won't be doing. But with Power Gummies, you can be certain that we have everything in place, every check in place. We don't compromise when it comes to quality. So the kind of ingredients that we use, and we deep dive to a level that we think of each and every small thing. Like, we know that you might end up consuming more gummies. There could be a
Mm-hmm.
possibility that you might end up consuming more gummies. So, unlike the other players that are there globally, we make sure that we add water soluble vitamins to our products, so that in case you end up consuming more, your body is not absorbing it, they get flushed out with
Okay.
water. So you don't end up having any kind of side effect or any harmful effect whatsoever, because your body with these vitamins, they're such high quality vitamins that we use, that it is
Mm-hmm.
absorbing only the kind of vitamin that the body needs on a regular basis. More than that, it automatically flushes out. This is the
Okay.
exact difference that is required in the nutraceutical category. So if you use the premium nutraceuticals, they are all water soluble, and that is something that has to be seen in terms of ingredient quality that is being used.
All right. One more thing wanted to know is, can these power gummies be consumed by people who are diabetic?
See, you can always consume Beachbody gummies because they are sugar free. With hair and nail, although you can consume, we have proven safety studies, but still best to ask doctor. We use less than 1% of your RDA, so it's minimal sugar that is used just to give your tongue a little flavor. Otherwise, everything else is covered by the strong flavor that we use, which is a natural berry flavor. So we add berry juice to get that flavor, and it's a very strong flavor. So citric flavors, when it comes to lemon or berry juice, is a very strong flavor that can automatically
Okay.
give a nice taste. So we have used that flavor, we have blended that flavor, and ultimately the sugar is very minimalistic. So if you are borderline, don't worry, you can always use, but you have intensive sugar levels. It is best to ask doctor before having it, just to be double sure.
Perfect. I think that's the best way to take it ahead, so that when you consume the product, it affects you properly as well. Uh, in the DIY market, recently, as the audiences are all sitting at home and they're consuming YouTube and different video platforms, the DIY market has gone big, has
Yeah.
gone huge because everybody's trying to do something at home. All right, whether you talk about face packs or those hair removal techniques, or making different kadas, and people have even started making homemade chavanprash and etc etc etc. But we all know that in reality, to exactly replicate that is not possible, and every DIY is not 100% effective at all.
Yeah.
So what can people do instead of following these DIYs? What all things they can do so that it's 100% effective for them?
See, I think this DIY culture has increased more after the Dalgona coffee trend that came. I
Oh
think that
yeah,
was the
yeah, yeah,
first one
absolutely.
that came, that cracked the market, and I think COVID has helped a lot to grow this DIY market. I don't think anybody would be there in this whole world who had not experimented cooking, and the kind of YouTube views that have increased in the recipe
Oh, yeah,
videos are
totally,
astonishing.
totally,
So
totally.
I think that DIY video is also a blessing, because then ultimately you are learning new things. You're trying to understand how things are working. You're trying to experiment.
Mhm.
So I really promote DIY culture till the time it is a fun hobby.
Okay.
If till the time it is a fun hobby, it is a good thing. You should learn. You should try out things, and you should always experiment, because that's what life is all about. But
Mhm.
if you are building it as a regime, then comes the underlining points that this is something that is not a proven fact. It is not something that has gone through a clinical trial process. It is not something that has case studies in which it has proven the efficacy, or it is worldwide proven to be safe. So when you are when you're building it as a lifestyle habit is where you got to put some checks on it. You got to understand more, you got to deep dive more, you got to understand what kind of long term side effect that I might get, because any kind of DIY that we do is supposedly claimed to be 100% natural and something that has no side effect, but that's not something that Please realize that people who have allergy with peanuts is a natural product. It has no side effect. But there are people in the world who are allergic to peanuts. Everybody is different. Everything is different. What might suit you might not suit me. And this is where the actual scientific study comes in place, where anything that is being built as a lifestyle habit should have a clinical trial backing it, because that's where you explore it across. Please remember that vaccine was developed long back, but till the time it was not experimented, at least in the 7 countries with 7 nationality people at the WHO clearance level, it was not given to people, although it was a pandemic and everything was on an emergency level. So
Okay.
that's something that you got to please put in your mind. Do it as a fun hobby, but please be cautious when you build it as a lifestyle pattern.
Yeah, that's a very good, very good suggestion, Divij. Like normally, people actually people are so hungry for results, instant
Yeah.
results, that they get into try everything and anything, whatever is available. Or अब क्या हो गया ना कि nowadays it's a concept कि हाँ if this particular practice has helped my friend, ये मुझे भी help करेगा.
True, true.
So that is in this whole chaos, people are not understanding that the way their body reacts is very different. Uh, you know, the most important question of this whole session, all right, and because of a lot of people who have recovered from COVID, recently, there are a lot of people who are experiencing different skin problems. The smell and taste is there, but there are some people who have also experienced hair fall or scrubby hair, skin issues. They've got acne and stuff. Uh, can they consume power gummies?
Of course, and we highly recommend that. We had a live session with one of our panelist nutritionists with Power Gummies, and I think it happened like a month ago, wherein we communicated this message that, it is very important. Whenever your body recovers through a major illness, be it any illness, your body has lost a lot of vital nutrients that it was storing in to help you recover. So that process has to increase now. Now your body is deficient of a lot of nutrition because it has consumed that in fighting that illness and helping you recover. And to do that, now you got to be very cautious on the kind of nutrition that you're giving to the body. Same is for hair and nail. So the people who were facing a lot of problem after COVID is exactly why they were facing. They were facing it because their body had gone through a rigorous process of recovery. They were taking a lot of medicine, and ultimately these medicines resulted in the nutrition deficit in the body. Because when you are fighting the illness, I mean, you would have noticed that it's not easy to feed yourself. You can't have a proper heavy meal 3 times a day because your body is not accepting it. Only you are on weak meals. You try to give it out, give body proper meals, but you're not able to, and that's exactly where the deficiencies start to kick in. And once you have recovered, it is all the more important that you immediately put body to a very intensive nutritional diet and nutraceutical supplements to assist the body into faster recovery. You'll realize that even when you break a bone, doctor tells you that it is very important to give your body now extra calcium, because A, it is recovering, B, it has to perform the daily vital functions that they are doing. So now the dosage has to increase rather. You got to take it on a more efficient and effective method. That's exactly with any body function.
Nice. I think a lot of people after recovering from COVID have been looking out for different solutions to basically refactor their lifestyle and get back to the same track or the same way how they used to live before they got COVID. And I think this is a very good suggestion and a solution what you have given. I would rather say, that they should power gummies is friendly even for people who have recovered from COVID, and they can consume it and cover up the minuses what they have, what their body has.
I would say it is friendly. I would say it is necessary.
Oh, all right, perfect. I think that answers most of the questions of a lot of people. I'm sure would have the audience who have come on the live session. The most interesting product I liked about Power Gummies is that time of the month.
Yeah.
Right? It's something, like the whole world is trying to find some solution, so that things are easy for women. All right. So tell me, how can that product help women for their period cycles or help their in health wise?
See, when we were doing an R&D on this kind of a product, very limited options. I think Meftol is the only solution that you have, which is a drug for the pain relief.
Okay.
And then when we started to deep dive into it, we first identified the problems. One was the pain, because PMS can be very painful, and we have to drop that taboo. We have to find solutions for it, because it has in a 21st century where where the science has progressed so much. I mean, there are so many alternative available, and yet we are letting people face PMS problems. We are letting women face PMS problems. We got to do something for it. It has to be an easy going flow for them. So
Correct.
first we identified pain is a big problem. Then second, cramps is a big problem, which is associated with the pain. Then we realized that because you are bleeding, you lose a lot of vital nutrition during that time. And then ultimately giving your body back that nutrition is very vital.
Okay.
Other thing that we realize is the mood swings, because your hormonal levels are fluctuating and you get the mood swings. So it has to be balanced out. So we got to add something that balances out that thing. Then the remaining thing that we identified was that because it is a painful process and your body is going through tremendous stress at that point of time, you face problems sleeping. And a proper sleep is very essential, I would say, for proper recovery of body. A lot of things depend on the kind of sleep that you get. So we combined all of these problems. We bought a solution which has all natural extracts and vitamins added, which can help you ease out everything that I just mentioned. So with just two
Okay.
gummies a day, which is enriched with chasteberry extract, milk thistle extract, magnesium, and a lot more things added as ingredients, it helps you remove the pain, gives you an easy flow during cycle, recovers you, provides you back the nutrition that you're losing, helps you release happy hormones so that you don't face hormonal problem or the hormonal fluctuations, and gives you a very nice peaceful sleep. So ultimately, your whole cycle with just natural extracts and vitamins become just easy, just like a normal day. So you don't have to
Okay.
worry about that time of the month anymore.
Perfect. I think this will be a sense of relief to a lot of women, and
Yes.
I'm going to buy my share today for my wife for sure. That goes without saying. But Divij, I think thank you so much for joining us. But the one last question is, where can people buy Power Gummies?
See, you get it on the website, and it is available worldwide on powergummies.com. B, it is available in all the beauty platforms across globe. So whichever country you're from, if you're from India, it's available on Nykaa, Purple, and all the countries. And similarly, in all the beauty platforms across the globes, we are present on all the beauty platforms. You get it on Amazon. You get it worldwide on Amazon, wherever you have Amazon. And there are local online stores in each country where you will find power gummies. And if you still face problem having it anywhere, we have started expanding offline as well. We have started with the Indian and the Dubai market, where you can
Okay.
find it in the modern retail stores. When it comes to India, you'll find it in all the leading top modern retail stores, whether it is Modern Bazaar, Guardian Pharmacy Chain, even at the airport, Le Marche, Wellness Forever, and there are multiple things. Even when it comes to Dubai, we have I think Lulu would be live in the next 4 5 days, and then you'll have
Okay.
you. It's present in all the modern retail in India and Dubai, and online everywhere across globe.
Perfect, perfect. So, guys, just log into powergummies.com and get your share of Power Gummies from there and for your loved ones. If not, you can just check with your medical store. If they don't have it, ask them to get it so that Divij's team can get requests to get the Power Gummies stocks to their respective stores. Divij, thank you so much for joining us. It was pleasure talking to you, and I hope to see you again personally so that we can have some
Definitely,
more conversations together.
we have a coffee pending.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And I will make it for you. Don't worry.
Definitely done, done,
All right. Take care. Take care, Davis. Thank you
done.
so much.
Pleasure.